In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a TextNow account and get it all set up. So first you want to go to the App Store, and if you haven't already, just go ahead and search for TextNow. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and download it. Make sure you download the actual one, not TextMe. You want to scroll down and download TextNow. So now we've got that downloaded, we can go ahead and open it. So you just want to run and open the TextNow app. Now from here, it's going to ask you to track activity, just allow that, and you can go ahead and scroll through this and it's going to tell you more about the service. Now what we're going to do, we're going to click on the Get Started button at the bottom of the page, and from here we can go ahead and select our second phone number. So I'm going to go ahead and select a US number, so I'm going to click on United States, and then from here you can choose from the quick list, or if you have a specific area code in mind, you can obviously choose that. I'm going to just choose this random one here at the top. So this is going to be my new number. So what we can do, we can go ahead and click confirm this number. Then we're going to get an advertisement here. So just go ahead and wait like 10 seconds and then exit out of the advertisement. They're going to try and upsell you an offer as well. Click maybe later to this. So now you're going to then either choose a 1-month trial, or you can pay £68 for a limited offer and get 200 free credits. So you can see this 1-month trial is going to be, and it says this at the bottom of the button, £5.99 for the first month and then £11.49 for the second month. So this automatically renews unless you cancel it. So I'm going to go with this 1-month trial. We can then click continue. Once you've agreed to that and the purchase has gone through, you then should be all good to go. So there you go, you're all set. Click OK. And then that's going to go ahead and prompt you to log in. So you first need to either log in with Apple or Google. I'm going to log in with Google, and then click continue. So once you're logged in, it's going to then ask you to continue. So go ahead and click on continue. And then it's going to validate your email. Once it's done that, we'll be on to the next step. It's going to say you've subscribed successfully and allow notifications. Now you can allow contacts, so you can actually make calls and texts. And now it's going to tell you what's new and what you can actually do. If you exit out of that, you're going to see here you've got your primary number, which is going to be active, as we can see from the green icon. And there you go, that's all you need to do. That's how you can do it. I hope that did help you out.